That goes to the mic.
What?
I have an
Were they
addiction.
huge? Were they huge or were they tiny tacos?
Huge.
Like, what is your definition of huge? Like,
Onions.
the size of a sandwich huge? Like a big sandwich? Where were
It's
they?
sort of like that. It was like onions,
Onions?
beans, the meat.
Where are we
Obviously.
going?
Steaming my stacks.
Oh, watch. Everyone's gonna land there and we're gonna die. Like, miserably. That wheeze. Totally normal. You making fun of our laughing?
He's cracked, my guy. Okay, I killed him.
Alright, I need that shotgun over there. Not that one. This one. There's some...
I'm sorry.
Oh wait, you're burping and sneezing. Like, what? I can't
Okay,
see,
yeah,
Elite. I
someone's
can't
here.
see. You're making me laugh so hard. I can't see. Yeah. Wait. Wait.
A small.
Elite?
Yeah, that's what happens when I eat tacos.
I'm clipping that. That's
It's so true.
totally normal, but I was never invited to the roleplay, so I wouldn't know to be a part of the roleplay. I might be a crazy mutant alligator who decides to chomp on Doritos for
I'm
lunch.
crazy.
Me? Ooh.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I'm just gonna do a clip. Elite
I'm gonna
making
get
weird
you
noises.
It's not okay. I don't want to die.
Elite? Do I need to get you your sippy cup? Sure, not me. I'm further out.
I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm going to the island to see if anyone went there.
And burping. What did you eat? Like, what?
I just had nerds and tacos
Nerds?
and nachos.
Nerds?
Nerds, tacos, and nachos.
Nerds, tacos, and
You know
nachos.
those Lunchables? Oh my god, yeah, they died. They died.